Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change balls in FC Mobile game. First of all, launch open the FC Mobile application and make sure that you're inside the main screen. Now from the home page, click on the club button on the right hand corner. Inside the club menu, click on locker room on the bottom right. After you get to the locker room, click on ball at the top right. And then you will be able to see the available balls that you can choose from. Click on the ball you want to change to and click on confirm at the bottom right corner. The balls require unlocking, so complete the require star pass or event or in-game task so that you have multiple choices when it comes to changing your ball on FC Mobile. After selecting a ball that is available, click confirm and you will then be able to change your ball in FC Mobile. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.